Ladies and gents, welcome back. It is a beautiful day after Christmas, and I'm excited because I got toys to play with. Got a CB radio for my truck. I'm excited to put that in. Got a few other things to get into, and hopefully this is one of the last videos I'll be filming via my iPhone because I got a new computer, and hopefully we're going to switch fully over to the GoPro and be able to do a lot more cool stuff with the videos and make my life a little easier filming, which hopefully I'll be able to make more longer videos. So yeah, that's cool. So I got the CB mounted and a little handheld chingaderas, but this one does not come with a antenna, so we got one of those to order up and a little power plug in to the cigarette lighter, because apparently that is the best for the sound quality. But yeah, I'm stoked. Play trucker big time. Now that I can't really do the CB, I decided to play with the Bultaco a little bit and just kind of marking some stuff out to mount the exhaust. Now remember, this engine's a 360, the frame's a 250. The exhaust I ordered from that guy in Spain, the same guy that I got the gas tank and the side panels from. He said it would fit. The guys over at Hughes Bultaco or Bultaco Classic said it would fit. It does fit. It doesn't fit as good as I'd like. Well, I modified it a little bit to fit better. About as good as I can get. It's, making sure that there's clearance for the swing arm, and I don't want it rubbing on the frame either. I want a little bit of space in there. So we're going to need to make a spacer to go in here, and then we'll bolt it all in and it won't move, and that'll be nice. But yeah, just going to make some measurements. Another thing we got to do is start looking at this triple tree and thinking about drilling a hole somewhere in here and trying to mount those steering stops. That one's a head scratcher. I need to do a little bit of thinking on that. All right, so I scrounged this guy up out of my little magic bin of extra parts. It's a little bit too long, but that's awesome because we can always take away metal. It's a little harder to put it back. So let's start taking this bad boy down and see if we can make it work. Okay, after a lot of adjustment, I think I finally got it. It's not hitting the frame, it's not hitting the swing arm. We got space. The one thing I am going to do, I believe, is I'm going to get a piece of leather and make like a little spacer as well to put in there, just to cut down on the vibration. Either leather or a piece of rubber. I got to look around and see what I can find. And then we have the springs down here that need cleaned up. This one's trashed, but the new exhaust only has 3 hoops anyways, so I think that'll work out. Another thing I've been working on here is the old front fender mount, and a lot of measuring and marking and remeasuring and yada yada. I think I have the holes marked out where they need to be, and we'll get that thing drilled. Still need to figure out how I'm gonna put it to the bottom of the old triple tree there, but figure it out. Uno is just helping big time. Actually, he stands in front of the light because it's nice and warm. It's cold out here. Alright, ladies and gents, that's going to be about enough for tonight. It is getting dark and cold, and I guess tomorrow we'll get back at it and get those holes drilled and see what else we can do on the Bultaco. As always, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please finger fudge the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.